trying to learn advanced techniques may be the reason why you're not advancing at all. But it's okay you think that. There are tons of helpful videos and people out there telling you that you need to learn these advanced techniques, such as pivot turns, double blips, or wheelies, just to become a skilled rider, especially on hard enduro or technical trails. But if you've fallen for that trap, I'm guessing you haven't advanced your skills or confidence for at least a year. If advanced techniques were all you needed to learn, then everyone who learned them would be an expert rider, and we all know that's not the case. So, how do you advance your skills and confidence without advanced techniques? You first have to learn the beginner techniques. You know, the ones that everyone gets good enough at and then moves on to try and ride faster. Just think about it. If you wanted to do a pivot turn, then first you need to learn how to use the clutch and the throttle together. You need to control them efficiently, because if you just pop the clutch and the throttle, then you may pop the front wheel up, but how do you control it so that the front wheel stays up while you're turning? If you aren't smooth and efficient with the clutch and the throttle, then you're either not going to get the front wheel up high enough, or it's going to get too high and the bike's just going to fly out from under you. So when you go back or start with and master the beginner techniques, such as being efficient with the clutch and the throttle and the brake, then you will have more control and you won't even need to use those advanced techniques in 99.9% of trail riding. Do you need help with this? My courses and guides have helped people all over the world ride with more confidence, with less seat time, and without advanced techniques. You can get my free beginner techniques guide in the description below. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.